Yeah, we need more. I don't want her I don't want to see her house anymore. That's how much TNT we need. So every little corner that's open, cover it with TNT. She doesn't know what's coming, does she? I don't even want to know that there was something here. All right, hold on. Don't light it yet. You light one side, I light the other. You right here. Come here. Wait, where are you? Yeah, here. Just bring that out to here. You light this part when I say to, okay? When I say to light it, you light it, okay? And I'll light this part too. 3, 2, 1, go. We're leveling her house. No.
My PC.
Yo. My PC!